Good morning. Today we're going to talk about storing chemicals in your garage and what it can actually do to the water softener. When we install water softener, we either use stainless steel flex tubing like this, or this one right here, or we'll use the PEX tubing, which is the new plastic tubing that all the plumbing is using now. Over the years, we've come to a couple houses and we see pitting on some of the ribs, if you will, of the stainless steel. And I will always ask the customer, what are you storing in your garage? And a lot of times it's pool chemicals that they'll either keep muriatic acid or the very high potency chlorine that you'll put in the pool. Some people just leave Clorox, maybe the top is open on top of the water softener, other chemicals that they might be using around the house. And what we find is that gets airborne. It'll start attacking some of the metals or some of the plumbing fixtures coming out of the wall that either we use or that the builder used when he pre-plumbed your house for a water softener. So we always recommend keep the chemicals outside in a locked box somewhere, especially for the pool chemicals, or away from the water softener so that you don't have any corrosion problems or anything like that. And if you see any of your corrosion issues happening in your garage or anything, you could always reach out to us and maybe we could help you find the culprit that's causing the problem. Thank you.